Okay, so everyone, I don't know if everyone is aware that there is a new withdrawal rules that has been implemented. It's already been implemented by the system in our 3FO. So if you don't or you don't have you haven't listened to Joe when he discussed this, I will share you the screen and then you'll be able to see what is the changes. Actually, it's not a big I don't know if it's going to be not a big changes, but really there is a big changes on it. So let me share my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. Anyone?
Yes.
Yes, cool.
Yes.
So, where is it? Yeah, where am I? Okay. So here, so you can see here that there is this is the changes that has been going on the 3FO. Okay, this has been discussed by Joe, but the full details of this has not been yet discussed. To be honest, no one, even Joe could haven't explained it yet. But this is really the strategy on this really is to protect the liquidity of the company. This is the community going to help protect the liquidity of the company. Why? It's really important if you would imagine that when 3FO started, the price of Ethereum is like 3,800 to $4,000. Let's say 3,500 to $4,000. And now the price of Ethereum is lower than $2,000. So that is something that's a big drop on our liquidity, to be honest, because the company is receiving Ethereum from us, and that Ethereum is getting traded or whatever the business they are doing, so that we'll be able to get uh return, and of course the company have to survive. So that's what's reality, what's going on. Why also, if you are wondering that withdrawal right now, if you try to withdraw, that you cannot withdraw like a big amount, but as I was told that you can withdraw small amounts in multiple times until you get the amount that you wanted to withdraw. But yes, that's the reality, that there is a little bit of restriction of withdrawal because of the liquidity drop. The liquidity drop is not exactly because we are paying too much or we are paying the big leaders or anyone. It's just really that the price of the Ethereum drops over 50%. And that's the fact. And now this is the way that Chavez or the company would think will be able to help maintain the liquidity, and then everyone probably maybe be able to withdraw at least any moment. And then of course we are trying to prevent a big drop as well coming in. Let's say if it goes down to $1,500, the price of Ethereum, then it would really hit us like big. Now there is a war. The economy now is like shaking again because of the wars happening. So these are the things that we need to consider. We have to understand why they think of this. Okay. So now in I think they have this taken this effect last week. Okay. So how are we going to withdraw? Because at the very beginning, okay, let me go back first before we tackle this. Okay. So I know you understand that I explained it on the Excel sheet. Okay, let me stop sharing. On the Excel sheet that I shared to you, that how are we going to have our withdrawal, right? So let's see. So you can see my screen, right? Can you see my screen? Please
Yeah.
confirm. Perfect.
Yeah.
So this is where we are when I explained it to you. Okay. So let me remove this because this is not the part. Okay. So this is where we are when I explained it to you that you're probably earning more than 1.5% of your $100. Okay. This is where the computation comes in. If you can see here, so this is the whole list of it. Okay. So you'll be able to see at least 1.72% a week of your $100. This is the computation. But with the implementation of the new withdrawal, there will be a little bit of change. Okay, I'll explain the withdrawal if you haven't heard it yet. So this is the withdrawal that's going to happen. Okay, before we have a 5% withdrawal fee. Okay, now we were not going to have withdrawal fee. Okay, so no withdrawal fee is going to happen every time we will withdraw. So on this part, okay, so on this part, this 5% withdrawal will be gone. So this is now not implemented on the new withdrawal system that they are trying to share to us. But where is my apologies a little bit. My hand is like, come on. Okay. But the difference is now we are going to contribute 20% every time we withdraw. Every time we're going to withdraw, there will be a 20% that is going to a reserve. So instead of 5%, now it goes up to 20%. But this 20% is not going anywhere. I mean, this is still our money. This is still part of our profit. But we will not be able to take this yet until the company will be probably allowed us to withdraw it or anything. There is now no clear explanation yet on how this is going to operate. When are we going to withdraw? When are we going to? Is there a possibility that we can have access to this on a daily basis or a monthly basis? I don't know yet. I asked Joe about this, but no, Joe said he cannot explain anything, no information about this yet. So this is the thing that we need to probably wait, or if you can attend the Zoom probably on Wednesday with Chavez, that probably they can explain, or later this evening, we have the 7 p.m. UK prime time, the Sunday community call. We can ask what's going on with, or what's going to happen to this 20%. Okay, this is really important for us because this is a money that is going to be put on the reserve as a backup for the liquidity, because really it's really scary that if the liquidity, if Ethereum goes just to $1,000, then our liquidity is like barely minimum. I mean, yeah, it's really good, to be honest, to hear that the sales, especially with the Vietnam team, is still ongoing, and then we are, they are really doing good in the sales. I mean, other part of the world, including me, I'm guilty as charged. The sales is not as good as we can say, but this liquidity is really need to be taken care of. So let's wait for the quick announcement on this one, but this 20% is really, really important for you to understand that every time we're going to withdraw, instead of getting the 5%, now this will go up to 20%. Okay? So now, like I mentioned to you, okay, I'm going to take out just how much will be the difference from $7, 117 to 112. So it's just going to be, that's the difference. That's what I'm going to take while taking care of this syndicate. Now, with this new changes, the 20%, I'm just going to get $5. Okay, so instead of 99, you will get 94. So this is going to be 94. Okay, how or so let's do this 94. So this is going to be 94. I'm just going to get the $5 maintenance fee, or whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I hope that $5 is not going to be, but if you have a suggestion, let me know after I discuss, then we can talk about it as well. This is not going to be a problem to me, to be honest. So yeah, so but the thing is, this $24 will go to the reserve. Okay, how are we going to know that this is going to the reserve? Okay, every time we're going, this is only going to happen every time we withdraw. Okay, if we are not going to withdraw, we will it will not go to that reserve. I was in the impression that when it goes to the reserve, they will do something about it. Probably they will trade it, or they will do to earn more. I don't know if that earning or if that profit will be we will if we will benefit on that profit as well. So that those are the clarifications that we need to know what's going to happen with this 20% that they are going to put on the reserve. For you to be able to see what how are we going to know that there is a reserve, okay? So in our account, okay? So this is our account. So this is our syndicate account. So now you'll be able to see here 3FO contribution, okay? So every time we withdraw, the 20% goes here. So you are in track, you are in you are in the uh updates that you will be able to see it here. So every time we are going to withdraw, you will see it here. And then we will discuss how are we going to do it until further notice that we know what is going to be done here when it goes there. The, Joe told me that this is not a proof of reserve. It's just liquidity protection. So this is just a liquidity protection for us to be aware of. So this is not going to be gone to us. It's just that we are not going to be able to capitalize when we withdraw it for the meantime. I don't know how long. That's a very good question. And hopefully we will going to have access. I don't know if we will be able to see the wallets that it's the liquidity is still there. I don't know. So if you will be able to attend some Zooms, you'll be able to ask questions, then ask the questions to the leaders that understand this yet. Because even though I am a rank leader, I don't have the full access compared to Joe, to Carl. So probably they are the person that might be able to answer those questions. So as of today, from the time that we purchased the packages, so this is our income wallet. So we already have 247. Okay, so this is I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. So I think it's 3 weeks. So next week is probably our payday. Okay, to understand that it's our payday. So now when we got the payday, instead of 5%, we are going to less this at with 20%, which will go here. Okay, so that's the thing that I wanted to explain to you. And of course, I wanted to speak to you, of course, as a transparency, and of course, I need your ideas on how are we going to do the withdrawal. Are we going to do the withdrawal more often or less often than what we discussed before? Or those are the questions that I wanted to ask to you. Okay, and also to show you the Excel sheet that I'm going to share to you, where we can monitor the all the earnings, all the movements of our own money here in the syndicate. And I'm really really grateful with my sister Ayo for this Excel sheet. To be honest, thank you so much, sister. So this is the Excel sheet that she provided to us. Okay, this is a really good one. Okay, at least you have a better understanding on why this is being shared to you and why do you need to know this and what are the numbers that you need to know. Okay, so here, if you can see, so this is the main Excel sheet. So this is the ignition pack that we have. So we have 65 slots, okay, that we purchased. These are the percentage that we're going to get. Okay, this computation is when we are going to get 4x. Okay, 4x. So that means at the end of the cycle, your $100 should be $400 less. Okay? Less now is the 20%. Actually, it's not going to be a less one, but the thing is, I don't know when are we going to be able to claim it. So eventually, at the end of this cycle, wow, this is really amazing. Can you see? You will be able to hobble that and you'll be able to see the explanation on how this is computed to us, which is really amazing. So this is the net income here at this area, the net income of your $100. Okay, so this is the net income of your $100. So if you have 10 slots, then just multiply this by 10. So that is something that we have to take notes, that you will not, probably you're expecting I'm going to get the full $400 after the cycle, the end of the cycle, which is no. The good thing only that you will be able to get back is you will be able to get back the BTCC that you sent to me, and then when the, uh, the cycle is finished, I'll be able to bring it back to you. Okay. And then if we are going to do this again one more time, then of course, yeah, we can do this. So this is simply the simple computation. If you have questions of this, take a screenshot of it. I mean, I'll share it to you. I mean, when I ask you for a Gmail address, make sure that you have a Gmail address for easy access on this one. This is really important that you can just see. I'll give you the read only so that you can see. So here you'll be able to see your names here, the numbers of shares, how much you'll be able to get, of course, your email address, your deposit wallet address. Probably I'll add here the transaction hash as well when I send it to you, the Ethereum. So everything. So I'll just add something that probably will give you more details so that you it will be easy to understand. Oh, it's still here. So sorry, it's good.
Yeah,
See?
I got everything, Dennis.
Yeah, you are really amazing, my dear. So see,
Thank you.
transaction hash record when you'll be able to give me a second.
Click and track it, this cells.
Yes, they can track anything. So what's going on? Oh, where is it? Sorry. So easy. How much you get, everything. So this is a good tracking for you to for
Right.
us.
And that's the date that if you come back down at the bottom there, the 11th of March, that is the first withdrawal date.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, yeah. Okay.
right? That's the first withdrawal date.
Amazing, amazing. So see,
So it's every
so
4 weeks, everyone,
yes,
right?
yes. So this is really amazing. So you can track everything here. That's why I really love this Excel sheet. She did it better,
Thank
better,
you.
better than mine. So yeah, so this is going to be shared to you. This is going to be in Google Sheet, and then you just have to have your email address. If you don't have your email address, you will not be able to have access on it. Okay, only your email address will going to have access on it. Your specific email address that you're going to send to me, so that's something that at least you can see that this is how transparent our syndicate is going to be. Okay. So yeah, so I hope that this is clear to you. So I think, yeah, that's it that I need to discuss to you. I don't have much to discuss. It's just really important that the changes that happens, and I want to hear your thoughts about it. So let me stop by
Just one more
sharing.
thing, Dennis. Just
Go
just
ahead.
one more thing, Dennis.
Go ahead.
Just show them that each section there is for the payouts where you see
Mm-hmm.
the figures at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, come down, come down, come down, come down. Right there, right there, right there.
Okay.
Come to you right. The first payout. No, no, come back up.
Up.
The first payout, then red, the red box.
Red box here.
Come, yeah, right.
Okay.
So all of those dates are for every 4 weeks as you come across there to the right.
Yeah, it's every 4 weeks. So that means this
Right
is,
when you come across to the right, because you see that one there marked first net payout per
yeah,
person
net
for the
net
period
net
the
payout. Yeah,
18th of February to the
yeah,
11th of March. Then
March.
the
Yeah,
next one will be from the next
yeah.
date,
So you can
right?
see the date. Yes. So
Right.
this is
So
really
everything
important.
clean and straightforward for everyone there to see. And
Yes.
that way you do not have to come and do no different calculations because as I had mentioned from upfront, when we're now starting, instead of doing it once per month, do it once every 4 weeks. That way the calculations will remain the same,
Yeah. Exactly.
right?
Yeah. Nice.
Dennis,
Because some months having five weeks, right? Almost 5 weeks. So you don't want no problems.
Perfect. Okay. I heard someone speaking.
that is me, Dennis,
Hi,
Errol.
Earl. Yeah.
Yeah. In at the end of the cycle, rather than is there an option to reinvest it rather than withdraw it?
Yeah, we have the options. I mean, that's something that we need to agree because we are a syndicate. So it's not going to be like a one-man decision. So that's something that's also I want to clarify as well, because of the withdrawal changes, that instead of
Yeah.
5%, we are now less 20%. Now I'm going to ask every one of you, of course, to those who are going to watch the replay of this video, what are you suggesting? I mean, this is not going to be a hard decision to make, but of course, I hope that we agree on something, because this is something that it's all our investment. We have our something in here.
Yeah,
So
I think it would be a good idea if we had, rather than keep taking little bit every cycle we take out and then we have to put back, if there's an option to just leave it and reinvest it and carry on like that, because it would be more work for you to, when people take out and to put back, if you can see what I mean.
yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. That's why this that's why I'm showing this Excel sheet. I mean, if we decided that we go for every 4 weeks, then we go for every 4 weeks. If we decided that to reinvest, then we have to agree on the amount of reinvestment. When are we going to invest? I mean, every $500 can be reinvested, to be honest, for a new panel, and then the computation. But the only confusion that we're going to do to affect on that is, because since it's a new panel, so that means it will count a new cycle. Okay,
Right.
and that earning will be accumulated also, including with this syndicate. So that means, I think, if we're going to reinvest, we need to create a new account so that we'll be able to monitor the exact income, rather than
Correct.
mixing it to this one, and then once this ends and the other one is not ending yet. I hope it makes sense, right?
Right.
Yeah.
It will
Yeah.
confuse the issue.
Yeah, it will confuse everyone, because this is like a fixed one. This syndicate is going to be like a fixed income for us, fixed weekly income. So we're going to get like,
Correct.
yeah, this is this amount at this percentage, and then that's it. Then
Correct.
if we add something, then it will confuse someone. Oh, why there is something there? Of course, we can do the math. It's going to be a problem, but there's going to be confusion on it.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so
And
that's something that we can. Sige, go ahead.
may I add to that, Dennis?
Sure.
Yeah, it's somebody, if like if you get a good set of persons that are interested in starting over, what you got to do is, instead of troubling this one, at the bottom, you just click the plus bottom button and do another sheet, another Excel sheet,
Yes. This one.
right?
Yeah.
Right, you add another Excel sheet, because I have 4 syndicates running, but
Uh-huh.
three had came in the same time, and then 2 weeks later, persons expressed interest. So
Yes.
instead of troubling the existing one I had, I just created a new Excel sheet.
Yeah.
Have that there separate. You understand?
Yes. I
So it
do.
will not confuse the issue,
Exactly.
right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So, from anyone here, any other questions? Any other clarifications? Anything that you probably watched that I missed and you can share, so we can discuss.
Do I need to
Barbara?
DM you? Do I need to DM you for a copy of the Excel sheet?
No, like I said, I am going to share this on Google,
Right.
and then you just
Okay.
have to give me your email address. I will give you an access to that. It's easy. I give you the link. You click the link. This Excel sheet will show. Simple as that.
Correct.
As long as you have my email,
Correct.
I have your email address, it will show. If you don't give me, then you'll not be able to click it, even if I give you the link. Okay.
Correct.
So
Okay.
so
And whenever Dennis do put our information, all we have to do is refresh the link and be able to see the
everything.
latest information that is on the spreadsheet.
Yeah. Every notes that I change, every number that I take, that when you'll be able to see every single changes on this one.
Yeah, but
So
we
that
will not be able to edit it. Only
yeah
Dennis will be able to edit it.
yeah. At
Yeah.
least
Yeah.
you have the idea of what's going on, and then when you see you're confused with the numbers, you can directly ask the questions. We have I mean, I know you cannot ask the question to the group, because I want it to be, keep us for the reporting and everything only, but you can directly message me. You know where to find me. Okay. I know Carlos is at work, but I hope it's clear to him. I'm really, really curious with this who is really BTCC is. I did, but okay. Amina, do you have any question, any clarification? Barbara?
Right, but what actually do you need offers? I mean, your MetaMask account, or you still got mine anyway, haven't you?
I mean,
Is,
that's a good question. I mean, it doesn't have to be MetaMask. As long as you can have the base network on any wallets, that's fine. So,
Well,
so, and,
it's in my MetaMask account anyway, but I'll give you another one as well. So
yes, yes. So that's
do it
that.
that way.
So yeah.
Okay.
So everyone here, especially listening to the replay, please send to me directly your MetaMask address, or not, sorry, your wallet address that has base network. Make sure that it's a base network because you're going to receive this in Ethereum in base, and also the Gmail email address. Make sure it's a Gmail email address. Send it to me. I'll collect it. I'll post it here. I'll post the once I have collected everything, I'll post it here. If you can do it this week, we only have like 10 days left for our before our first withdrawal. Okay? And also, we need to decide, are we going to do the first withdrawal with the 20%, or are we going to keep it there yet, or we have to wait for another to make it bigger? It's all up to you. Just let me know. Any one of you, let's do the, I mean, probably the, yeah, I think it's good to open the group chat for us so that to be able to, to vote or something like that. But yeah, I'll find a way in that, even with the voting. So yeah, go ahead, Ayo.
If it's, Dennis, if it's
Yeah.
20%, won't it be 40% if you left it for 2 months?
No.
No, it's still
No,
20%. It's just
still 20%, right? Okay.
yeah, it's still
Yeah.
20%. It's just that the money is just doubled, but it's still the same. 20% is going to be take out.
Yeah. It would make a difference if it was $20 per transaction.
Yeah.
That it would be. Then we would got to say we only withdraw it once a year or once every couple of months or something like that. But
Yeah.
once it's percentage, it can be same at the end regardless. If you do it 10 times, 1 time, 50 times. All right.
Once
My
a month
question
good
is,
for me. As long as everyone else agrees with that.
I can't hear.
Yeah, yeah.
Once a month would be best, really. If that's the case, it's as long as it doesn't double up.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
No,
No.
can't be basic math.
Yeah.
With regards to that there, Dennis,
Uh-huh.
well, as you say, you gotta take your vote from everybody, but I would prefer, because I'm not working now, so
Uh-huh.
I would prefer the withdrawal like how we had stated it
Yeah.
every 4 weeks,
Okay.
right? That's how
Yeah.
I prefer it.
Mm-hmm.
And the other thing there too, you could just show persons there on the spreadsheet that the certain cells there have notes so
Yes.
that people
Yes.
can understand or understand what it is for, the figures and stuff. All they got to do is hover the cursor over it, right?
Yes, like this. If you can do
Right.
it. So you'll be able to see the notes. Yes.
Right, correct. That you're able to see the notes to understand what each cell there is indicative of. And something else there too, but it could go on from me. But the one day is I would definitely prefer the withdrawal once every 4 weeks. And the thing there with the cells there to show persons then that when they hover the cursor over it, they will understand what certain cells represent, right?
Yes.
As I said, they did it plain and straightforward, and then using the fancy jargons so that the average person will be able to understand it, right?
Yes.
All people are interested is that how much they put in, how much they can get, what they say that they're supposed to get.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you so much, my dear sister.
No problem, you're welcome.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so I think that's it. I'm not going to take too much of your time. Again, if you have anyone who's going to listen to the replay, anyone, if you have any idea, suggestion that you wanted to share it with me directly. But really, I think I need to open the group so that you'll be able to share. I'll open the group, share it there only. This is exclusively for us. No one should be able to see or read whatever we are talking about in our syndicate only. Okay, so that's something that we have to do this is very private to us because this is our money, this is our investment. Okay. So yeah, I'll open the group. Do your suggestion and anything, but still, for now, I'm going to still to stick with the every 4 weeks withdrawal. Okay. So because that's what we agreed. But of course, if you have any suggestion, then let's see the majority. I'm not saying that it's just the one person, one decision. Okay. We can talk about this again, whatever the result of the ideas, the sharing what we're going to get on the group, and then we can have another meeting before the withdrawal, and then we take it from there. But for now, at least, the only purpose is to let you know that there is a big changes with the withdrawal. We are expecting just a very small fee of 5% now. It's not a fee, but it's a money that we will not be able to capitalize until such time that the company decided when are we going to get it. So that's something that I don't know how long. Okay. Yeah, Ayo again.
Yeah, so after this call here, you want us to send you our email address and deposit wallet address there on the base network to
Yes,
where
please.
direct message you or
No.
instead of the group?
Let's put it on the group. I'll open the group. Okay, so you don't
Okay,
have
good.
to. Yeah, I'll open the group, and then send it there. Okay. Yeah, and you can just send. This is my wallet address. That's the only thing to make sure. Okay, I can make sure that is on base network. Any wallet that
Yes.
has base network. Okay. Don't send me Tron wallet because Tron wallet doesn't have base network. So just to
Correct.
be aware. Okay. So I mean
Right.
MetaMask, SafePal,
Ethereum,
Coinbase, they have all base network. So
Ethereum base.
yes, Ethereum base. Yeah.
Correct.
So
State the amount of slots that we purchased to Dennis, or that day you can know.
sorry.
State the amount of slots to ease you, or you can.
Well, the slots.
In other words, send me our name, the email address, the deposit address, and the amount of slots that we purchased. Correct?
The amount of slots is not is okay. I have the list. So it's
Okay.
not a problem.
All right. Good.
Just the email address and the wallet address. It's
All
fine with
right.
me.
Good.
Yeah. The slots
Okay.
I have the list of that, so it's not. And then of course when I publish it here, you'll be able to see. Then you can let me know if I
Yes.
didn't give you the correct slots. But for now, I
Yes.
believe that the list of the slots that I have is the correct one we have. So yeah.
All right. Good.
Okay. Any more other questions? Still curious who is BTCC is? I hope she really didn't want to speak. Okay. Amina, do you have any question? Any clarification?
No, because I can't talk, so it's gonna be once I receive the documents and review it.
Okay.
If I have questions,
Cool,
I'll get
cool,
back
cool.
to you.
Okay, sure. Okay. So yeah, after our call, I'll open the group and then you can message there. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Really appreciate. Yeah, and I hope we can grow this syndicate more for us to earn more. Okay, thanks, guys. Thank you so much. I will not take too much of your time. God bless and see you soon.
All right. Thank you
Okay.
too, Dennis. All right.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 All right, bye.